Okay, so I got this Stranger Things alarm clock from Tesco's. It was £9. It seems like it's £12. So I'll try to open it and see how it looks like. Okay, so it looks pretty cool. It's not too like light, but it's pretty heavy for this kind of thing. Doesn't feel like very cheaply made. Comes with the USB, some instructions, and I'll try to connect it now. I'm connected on the power bank. And let's see if it slides up or not. Oh yeah, has a light, a sticker. I need to peel it off, I guess. There we go. Looks very cool. Some buttons. Let's change up the hours. Let me try in dark. As you can see, in dark it's up pretty well. Even from far away. I think it's great. This is just to show how it looks next to a can. It's pretty big, you can see. 752 to see how it sounds. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. I thought it was gonna be just simple beep, but actually plays the theme song, one of the songs from the TV show. That's pretty cool. So yeah, if you like Stranger Things, you like 80s themed items, this is definitely worth buying. For the price, especially for £9, you can get it now. I think the sale is going until 30th of November, and then it's probably going to be a bit more expensive, but I think even more expensive is going to be worth it. I think it's a really nice item to have if you're a fan.